We would like to give a special thanks to Moose for partnering with us to make this video. I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are here with
Allie,
our Happy Places Pony Day winner! Ah! And Johnny, of course. So this is so exciting. We had several people enter this contest, and Allie won. So she got to fly all the way here from
Wisconsin.
Wow, to meet us, Little Froggy and Johnny and me.
So do you like horses?
Yeah, I do. My grandma has 3 of them.
That's cool.
When you heard that Shopkins was making a Happy Places stable, how excited were you?
I was really excited.
Because there's horses, right?
Yeah.
And they come in like all these amazing colors. Now Johnny, he's brown.
He's bay.
Yeah, he's bay, which is a cool color. Honestly, it's my favorite horse color.
Johnny's favorite thing to do is eat. I think he'll literally eat all day.
Okay, so if you were a little Shoppy at the Happy Stables, what would your little Shoppy name be?
I think it would probably be Alley-oop.
That is such a cool name. They should totally make one. Are you ready to go inside and see the barn?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Craft time.
One thing that we use every day in our happy place is a brush.
So we are going to turn our brush into a giant petkin.
How cool is that?
Using chalk markers and Sharpies.
And a brush, of course.
Gotta shake the chalk markers first. Get them ready.
First thing we're gonna do is use a marker to draw on our petkin face.
Now we're going to use our chalk markers and do the white part of the eye. And we're done! Here is my petkin brush. I have very large eyes, but I didn't have enough space to put the muzzle.
My petkin has smaller eyes and no mouth.
Twins!
My petkin has closed eyes and it does have a mouth, but you can't see it because it's covered by the strap.
Oh, how'd you get a muzzle on there?
I put the eyes closer together.
That's really cute.
That was so
This
smart.
is like really cute too.
Thank you.
I love that ours look so similar.
Yours looks
Yeah, I love
exactly
yours.
like the actual.
I have a little bit of practice in drawing petkin eyes. Just a little bit. The best part about this craft is that we can actually use it on the horse.
We have some special Happy Places prizes for you today.
Yay! This is the Princess Puppy Garden Party Welcome Pack.
Oh, that's so cute.
Here is Tilly Tulip, and she is super cute.
I love this little cupcake because it's like a little dog. It's so cute. And then this sugar cube you can put in the little teacup.
I love all the detail.
You know, this would be so cute in front of the happy stable.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Wishing that this never ends. It's like a dream. It's like a dream when we both get.
This is my Happy Places stable. It's so cute. I really like the Pony Cakes pony.
I think my favorite part is definitely the fence. I love how tiny it is. So cute.
And I like the fact that they actually made horse fruit.
You would like that. And we're gonna give you this Pretty Pony Show Jumping Decorators Pack and the Little Shoppy Bridie,
And just a cake.
so you can go home and create your own happy place.
Really? That's so cool. Thanks.
But you know what we gotta do?
Open blind box.
Blind boxes! I wanna see, will I get a limited edition today?
Probably not.
Okay, this is
Even if I get it, I'm giving it to Allie. Oh, watch me get one today. Watch this be the day.
This is your
Oh,
Yeah, this is
This
Oh,
is,
I got it.
You got it? Here, I'll give you. Let me do this. Adult supervision required. I
now let's
totally
see if I can
stabbed
get
this.
the tape off.
Here we go.
Watch her get like the limited edition one and you get like a repeat or something.
You know what? I'm okay with my doubles now. I have made peace with my doubles. Alright, I got a tile. I got a really pretty little purple tile here. And
I got like a
I
got
know
a
what this
little
is.
blue tile.
This is something that I don't have in my collection.
I don't even know what this is.
It's the anvil! Oh! Pencil sharpener.
Pencil sharpener.
I'm gonna pull out the collector's guide right quick so we can know exactly what we found. That is, you have the pencil case, a pencil sharpener, and you're from the Mousy art class, so there should be one more piece in there. I think you dropped
yeah,
Oh.
here it is.
It's a tiny little
Little
piece.
pencil.
I got a sketchbook, a watercolor, yeah, I did. A watercolor palette and a paintbrush.
And I have the anvil, hammer, and the horseshoe. This is gonna look so good in your stable. Look at that. All right, one more, everybody. I have a metal and a metal stand thing. I think it's a case. Which collection do you have?
I got, you can drop my
I have the Pampered Pony Stable.
Pampered Pony Stable. I am Pretty Pony Show Jumping. That is so, you have so much awesome stuff for your stable. I want to say thank you, Allie, for hanging out with us at our happy place in the stable. And I want to give a special thank you to your mom for bringing you out here.
Thank you guys for letting me come out and hang out.
Oh,
problem.
thank you. And we want to give a special thank you to Moose for making all of this happen. Thank you for joining us with our Happy Places Pony Day winner, Allie.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog.
And we will see you next time. Bye! Happyville is expanding with the Happy Places stable, the perfect space to create a happy place for little shoppies and their ponies. Style up your stable with Pony Petkins furniture and accessory pieces. The newest and cutest addition to your Shopkins Happy Places collection. Meet the all-new little shoppies who are ready to look after their super cute ponies. Look out for the rare unicorn cutie corn. Happyville is expanding with brand new spaces outdoors. Keep on collecting and turn more spaces into happy places with all new little shoppies, ponies, and petkins. There are so many ways to decorate and display your happy place. The Happy Places stables can be used to expand your Happy Places world.
Friday.